Today, I'm sharing 20 fun emotional intelligence activities you can use with kids. And one of them is my absolute favorite because it comes with a freebie you can download and use right away. I'll show you that one a little later, along with all the other simple activities that make teaching feeling so much easier and so much fun. This set works great on its own, these ideas, but it also pairs really nicely with the full emotional intelligence packet that you can get at your therapy source with even more worksheets, flashcards, and reflection pages. Check it out in the link below. All right, let's get started. Here we go. Number one, feelings charades. Kids simply act out a feeling with just their face and body while others guess. No talking. Simple, fast, and great for emotional vocabulary. Number two, emotion scavenger hunt. Kids search the room for objects or pictures that match different feelings like happy, calm, angry, or surprised. Number three, name that feeling game. Hold up emotion cards or show pictures from the internet and have kids identify and label the feeling. This is a great warm up activity. Number four, you will need some materials for this one, but I love it because I love to craft with kids. This is a calm down toolbox craft. So you're going to give them a shoebox and they're going to create their own calm down box with tools like maybe you have a stress ball or breathing visuals. You can get those at your therapy source for free. This helps build independence and helps them understand what helps them with their regulation. Number five, mirror faces practice. This is super simple, but really powerful. Kids can stand in front of a mirror and practice making different emotional expressions, and this helps them read faces in other people too. Number six, role play problem solving. Act out small conflicts. Maybe one student has a broken crayon or someone's cutting in line, and then help guide kids to practice calm solutions. This is great for your kinesthetic, active learners. Number seven, story time. Pause and reflect. During a read aloud, pause and ask, how's the character feeling? What clues tell us this? This is great for empathy building. Number eight, emotion walk. You know I have to have my movement in there as a physical therapist. Kids move their bodies like different feelings. They're going to stop for angry. Maybe they're tiptoeing if they're worried or scared. Maybe they're skipping to show joy. Those are just some examples. Number nine, color your feelings. You can get an outline of a body online to print. It's included in the emotional intelligence packet. Or you could have kids lay down on the ground on big paper and trace their body outline. And then kids color where they feel emotions in their bodies. This is a great activity for introspection and self awareness. Number 10, mindful movement routines. These are just short themed routines like calm flow, excited, happiness. Kids can match movement to mood during these mindful activities. Again, check your therapy source. We have a couple of freebies for this or full packets. Number 11, what would you do scenario cards? Kids choose a calm response to everyday challenges like losing a game or dealing with a mistake, and just go over that with them of how they manage that. This is a great explicit instruction activity. It's great for executive function, and that way kids know and learn how to act when they do become dysregulated. Number 12, the feelings thermometer check-in. Kids can check in using a visual scale. Again, you can find some of these on your therapy source, and they go from cool to calm to unsettled to heating up. So it's a great way to track emotional intensity and even just as a visual to show children how emotions can become more intense. Number 13, compliment tag. I love this one. It's not my favorite though. Keep waiting for my favorite. Kids quietly leave positive notes for classmates. It encourages kindness, connection, and social awareness. Number 14, emotion matching puzzles. Kids match a feeling word, a facial expression, and a situation. And this helps build understanding of why emotions happen. Number 15, breathing buddies. Super simple. Kids lie down with a stuffed animal on their belly and they watch it rise and fall during slow breathing. Just this is a great calming tool for kids so that you can teach them about how this helps with their emotions. Number 16, friendship recipe. This is a great social skills and emotional intelligence one. Kids build a recipe for friendship using ingredients like kindness, patience, listening, and helping. Number 17, a calm corner routine. Again, we sometimes have to explicitly teach kids how to use a calm corner. You're going to provide maybe a visual guide and teaches kids when to take a break and how to use the calm tools in the safe, structured space. Number 18, empathy glasses game. Kids can put on pretend glasses, get a pair of glasses, take the lenses out. Kids love to put on glasses, and then they can talk about what someone else might be thinking or feeling. This is super fun and imaginative. Here comes my favorite one, music and mood. Kids are going to listen to a short music clip and describe how it changes their energy or emotions. Music can really be a great regulation tool. So if you check out the link above, you'll go to that video. It's free, and it also comes with a self-reflection sheet that you can download and go through the 5 clips. So be sure to check it out. I think you'll really like it. Number 20, our last one, emotion sorting station. If you have emotion cards, this is a simple center where kids can sort emotion cards into bins like happy, sad, frustrated, or silly, just so that they understand more that there's so many varieties of our emotions. All right, so these 20 activities make emotional intelligence fun, hands-on, and easy to practice every day. So if you want even more tools and worksheets to go along with these activities, please be sure to check out the full emotional intelligence packet at your therapy source. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe.